Hello children, how are you? Today in this video we are going to start with our new exercise, exercise 4.2. But before starting that exercise, few things should be clear, that is factors and multiples. What are factors and what are multiples? First of all, what are factors? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of a number. It means if a number divides a particular number, that the number which is dividing is a factor. I'll take example over here. Suppose I will write a 6. Now which number should I multiply and I will get 6? 2 and 3. 2, 3 is a 6. Similarly, again I want to get 6. Which number should I multiply? 1, 6 is a 6. So in this case, 2, 3, 1 and 6 are the factors, are known as the factors. And number 6 is known as the multiple. So I think from this example it is clear that if we have to form a number, the numbers which we are multiplying are the factors and the number which we are getting is the multiple. Next, even and odd numbers. Numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are even numbers, and numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Means numbers which we can divide by 2, which are exactly divided by 2, like 4, 8, 12 can be divided by 2. So these are known as the even numbers. And numbers which are not divisible by 2, like 9, 7, 13, 11, all are the odd numbers. Next is prime numbers. Now what are the prime numbers? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 that has exactly 2 factors. Again I will take one example. Suppose I have to form a 7. Which numbers I will multiply and I will get a 7? 1 into 7. Is there any other number which we multiply and I will get 7? No, there is no such number. So 7 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number because it has only 2 factors, 1 and 7. The number itself and 1 is the factor of 7. That's why 7 is a prime number. And the numbers which are not prime numbers, they are known as the composite numbers. The numbers which are not prime numbers, they are known as the composite number. Like I have given you the example of 6. What are the factors of 6? 2 and 3 and 1 and 6. So it is having more than 2 factors. 1 and 6 are the factor, but 2 and 3 is also a factor. Therefore, 6 is a composite number. Next, what are co-prime numbers? The numbers are said to be co-prime if they have no common factor other than 1. If they are having only one common factor. Like here they have given the example. What are the factors of 10? Factors of 10. 10 is coming in which table? 1, 2, 5 and 10. And 11, what are the factors of 11? 11 is coming only in the table of 1 and in the table of 11. So here in this case you can see what is common over here. Only 1 is common. Therefore 10 and 11 are the co-prime numbers. Therefore 10 and 11 are the co-prime numbers. Next is prime factors. How to calculate the prime factors of the given number? First is prime factorization by the method of prime factorization. Method of prime factorization, division method is there and factor tree method is there. Now what are this division and factor tree method? This will be clear from our exercise only. So now I'm going to start with your exercise. Exercise 4.2. Write all the factors of 68. Now we have to write in which table 68 is coming. So it is 1. You can divide 68 by 2. You can try to divide 68 by 4. You will get that it is exactly divisible. Then 68 by 17, 68 by 34 and then 68. So all these are the factors of 68. 46, 1, 2, 23 and 46 are the factors. 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors. 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. 128, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. Now 142. Which are the factors of 142? 1, 2, 71 and 142. Next is write all prime numbers between 5 and 37. Now prime numbers, I think it is clear to you that the numbers which are coming in their own table and in the table of 1. So 5 and 37 we have to write 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31. All are the prime numbers. From 5 to 44. One thing more, bache, whenever between is written, no need to take these two numbers. And when from is written, it means you have to take these two numbers also, if they are prime. So from 5 to 44, 5 is prime, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41 and 43. All are prime numbers. Less than 72, a number should be less than 72 and greater than 29. It means we have to write the prime factors between 29 and 72. So 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67 and 71. All are the prime factors, prime numbers, sorry. Between 1 and 23, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. All are the prime numbers. Next is show that 39 and 175 are co-prime numbers. Now how to show that 39 and 175 are co-prime numbers? First of all, we will write the factors of 39 and 175. And if only one is common in between them, then only they are co-prime. So write the factors of 39, 1, 3, 13, 39. Factors of 175, 1, 5, 25, 35, 175. So what is common in these two? Only one is common. Rest you can see nothing is common. So they do not have any common factor other than 1. Therefore 39 and 175 are co-prime numbers. Next is find the prime factorization of. Now both the methods I have solved. Which one is easier for you? You can solve that method. Find the prime factorization of 39. Division method. See how we have done. Here we have written 39. Which is the lowest number which divides 39. कौन सा ऐसा number है जो 39 को divide कर रहा है? It is 3. 3. When we will divide 39 by 3, what we are getting? 13. So we will write 13 over here. Now which number is there which divides 13? 13 only. 13 ones are 13. So this is your division method. Factor tree method. 39. Which number should we multiply and we will get 39? 3 into 13 is 39. So prime factorization of 39, we will write 3 cross 13. And here also 3 into 13 we will write, like this we have to write. Next is 94. So which number is there? 2 divided by 94, 47. 47 is prime number. So 47 ones are 47. So how to write the prime factorization? 2 into 47. Then 94 is there. By factor tree method, 2 into 47. So this is your prime factorization. Next part of this question is 560. So 560 by division method divided by 2, you will get 280. Again divide by 2, you will get 2 into 140 is 280. Then divide by 2, 270 is 140. 2 35s are 70 and 5 7s are 35. So 7 1s are 7. All these are the prime factorization. 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 5 cross 7. Similarly here factor tree method, 560 2 into 280. Then 280 can further be divided. So 2 arrows, 2 into 140. It can further be divided. 2 into 70. Then 2 into 35, then 5 7s. Similarly, you can write over here. Last part of this question, 99. 3 33s are 99, 3 11s are 33, 11 1s are 11. Write these factors. 99, 3 33s are, again 33 can be divided, 3 11s. So all these are the factors 3, 3 and 11. Like this you have to write. So 3, 3, 11. Complete this exercise in your notebooks, children. Thank you.